So I recently bought a microphone, and this is that microphone. It is Powerpak BM 8000 condenser microphone, and I bought it for 1399 rupees. So as you can see the conversion of this. So I bought this microphone for 1399 rupees. That is somewhere near to $20. And as you can see the current price on Amazon. So this is the microphone that I bought. So as you can see here, this microphone comes with a pop filter and a shock mount. So in this video I'm going to do a quick unboxing and review of this microphone. So let's see the unboxing first. So as you can see the package here. So let's open this up. So this is the box that you get here, and it's written condenser microphone. Now let's open the box. So this is a manual. So as you can see here, we have an XLR to 3.5mm jack cable. Then after we have a shock mount. So this is the shock mount and it feels pretty good. And then after we have a pop filter. So this is how you can attach the pop filter onto this stand. Then after we have our microphone. So on it it's written Powerpak BM 8000. So this is how our microphone looks like, and below it we have our XLR male connection. So that's all we get in the box. So that was the unboxing of this microphone, and I also bought a stand for this microphone. So this is the stand that I bought, and you can see the price here. So I bought it for 335 rupees, I guess. So this is the current price of this stand, and I haven't connected this microphone directly into my computer, but I have used a sound card to connect this microphone onto my computer. So the sound that you are listening is recorded on this microphone. The audio on this whole video is recorded on this microphone, and I haven't used the raw audio from this microphone. I have edited the audio in Audacity. So this is the audio without editing, and this is the audio with editing. So you can see the difference here. So this is the Powerpak BM 8000 condenser microphone. So that's it for this video. If you like this video, then click on the like button, and if you want to see more of this kind of videos like the review kind, and also on this channel I'm going to post videos based on web development and around the web designing. So if you are interested in that kind of stuff, I recommend you to subscribe to this channel. So that's it for this video. See you in the next one.